Hello everyone, it's Gabriel here once again. You can call me Gabby Angel. In this video, we are coming to learn how to divide the circles into segments and clip them with pictures or images. So guys, the first thing that we are coming to do is to come to File, come to New, or just command Ctrl+N on your keyboard. After that, come to Print. Let's set any default paper type. So let's pick the A5 and let's turn it to landscape. After that, make sure that your resolution is 300 and your color mode is also in RGB. After that, click on Create. So now, pick your Ellipse Tool. After that, hold down the Shift key and create the circle. Fill inside with any color of your choice. After that, command Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. After that, hold down Alt key to scale it. After that, let's change this color to gray color, or let's use red color. After that, command another Ctrl+J on your keyboard and scale it by holding Alt. Let's change this color to pink color. So after that, select your shape tool or rectangle tool. You can command U on your keyboard. So let's click our rectangle shape here. Make sure that the shape is in the middle of the circle. After that, command Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Hold Shift+Alt and rotate it like this. After that, command Enter on your keyboard. Command another Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Command Ctrl+T to transform. Right click and select Flip horizontally. Well guys, as you can see, we have divided them. Well guys, as you can see, we have got our divisions. So guys, after that, let's hide this layer and also hide our background layer. After that, let's select all these red color shapes. Right click here and select merge shapes. So as you can see, you have merged these shapes. After that, right click on it again and select Rasterize. After selecting the Rasterize, select your Magic Wand tool. So as far as we are having one same colors, just click inside the middle. Select this shape layer, right click on it and select Rasterize. After that, hide the red layers, select the blue layer and command Ctrl+X. So as you can see, we have divided the shapes. So after that, we can now delete these red shapes. And also, now let's make this layer visible. So as you can see, we have split the shapes. The next thing that we are coming to do is to divide the shapes into segments. So pick your polygonal lasso tool like this, and after that make a selection by double clicking. After that, Command Ctrl plus X if you didn't add the shift, and Command just Ctrl plus V, it will paste somewhere like this, and we don't want it to be like that, so Command Ctrl Shift plus V to paste in place like this. But so guys, as you can see now, we have separated them individually. So we are about to work on each of the shapes. So now select this layer, come to File, Place Embedded. Let's select our images. Let's pick this image first. And I am reminding you that all these images are my photographs. I am also a photographer as well. I am a graphic designer, web designer, photographer, and videographer, and also video editor as well. So after putting the image in front of the layer, right click here and select Create Clipping Marks. So as you can see, we have marked our image inside the shape. Guys, because I just want a preview of the full photograph, I'll mark it like this and right click on the layer and select Rasterize layer. After that, Command M on your keyboard or pick the marquee tool. Make sure that you have selected the image. I will make a selection here and Command Ctrl T and hold Shift on the keyboard to stretch it like this, so that it can hide the unmarked place. You can do the same thing here. Command Ctrl T to mask it. Like this. And let's do the same thing. Click on the shape, come to File, come to Place Embedded. Let's search for our image. Let's pick this image. Let's scale it. Right click on the layer, select Create Clipping Mask. So guys, let's rotate the image like this. Gabby Angel Designs. So the next step, let's select this shape tool. Let's apply the same steps. Listen. Gabby Angel Designs. Gabby Angel Designs. Create design. Inspire. Design flow, let it go. Watch the vision come alive. Step
Gabby Angel Designs. Create design. Gabby Angel Designs. We design a future bright. 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 Stay focused, stay sharp. Let the creativity rise. Gabby Angel Designs. We design a future bright. 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 Gabby Angel Designs. Create design. Gabby Angel Designs. We design a future bright. We design a future bright.
Guys, as you can see, this brings us to the end of today's tutorials. If you find it useful, kindly subscribe to this channel, Gabby Angel Designs. Make sure to like this video, and also don't forget to share to your loved ones. My name is Gabriel once again.